Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 105 to the power of 4 minus 95 to the power of 4 is equals to what? We write this algebraic expression into the simplified form, but here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working on this paper. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first we need to focus on the exponents of both of these two terms, and we break its exponents and it will be written as 105 to the power of 4. We write 4 as 2 times 2 minus in the same pattern. We break this 4 and we write it as 2 multiplied by 2, and here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m multiplied by n, now we write it as a to the power of m to the power of n. So according to this nice exponential law, we write these terms as in this form. This is 105 square and its whole square, minus this is 95 square and its whole square. And further in the next step, we use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. According to this nice rule, we break the above expression as in this form. The first factor is a minus b. The value of a is 105 square minus the value of b is 95 square into the second factor is 105 square plus 95 square. So further in the next step here we again use this nice formula into the first factor, so that our first factor is rewritten as in this form. This will becomes here 105 minus 95 into the second factor is 105 plus 95 into this will becomes 105 square plus 95 square. So we need more simplifications to write our answer into the simplified form. So here we have 105 minus 95 is equals to 10, and this is 105 plus 95 becomes here 200 into here we break both of these two values are, we write this 105 square as 100 and plus 5 whole square, and plus we write this 95 as 100 minus 5 whole square. So we need more simplifications here, and now first we rewrite this equation as this is 10 times of 200 becomes here 2000 into here we just expand the both of these two formulas here, but first here we rewrite this expression as 100 plus 5 whole square into this is 100 minus 5 whole square. So from this expression we will take here a is equals to 100. So when we choose a is equals to 100, then this expression is written as in this form. This is 2000 is multiplied by, here we have 100 plus 5, we write it as a plus 5 whole square, plus similarly this will be written as a minus 5 whole square. And now we use here another nice algebraic formulas on both of these two expressions. We know about that. If we have x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2 times of xy plus y square. In the same pattern we use here the second formula, x minus y whole square equals to x square minus 2 times of xy plus y square. So here we use both of these two formulas to the above expression, so that our above expression is written as this will becomes here a square plus 2 times of a into 5 plus 5 square, and plus in the same pattern we use this second formula on this expression, and this will be written as a square minus 2 times of a into 5 plus 5 square. So we need more simplifications here to write our answer into the more simplified form. So we have this is 2000 multiplied by, here we have this is a square plus 2 times of 5 becomes 10a, plus this 5 square becomes 25, plus this is a square, and here again we have 2 times of 5 becomes minus 10a, plus this 5 square again becomes here 25. And in the next step we have this is 2000 times of, here we have a square plus a square becomes 2 times of a square, and this is positive 10a, this is negative 10a, are cancelled out by each other, and we get 25 plus 25 becomes here 50, 50 only. And now here we need more simplifications here to write our answer into the simplified form. So we have this is 2000 times. Here you see that both of these two terms involve 2. We need to take common 2 from here, and we get the remaining values are a square plus 25 times of 2. And here we multiply this 2 with this 2000, and we get here 2 2s are 4, it will becomes here 4000, and here we have a square plus 25. So we need to move backward and we substitute the value of a, and here you see that we take our a is equals to 100. We substitute the value of a here, and it will becomes 100 square plus 25. And now when we take the square of 100, it will be written as 1, and we write just 4 zeros here, plus this is 25, and we break this 25 as 20 plus 5. And now we multiply this 4000 separately on each of these values, and we get here our final destination. When we multiply this value with this, we just write here these 3 zeros, we add these 4 zeros here, then it will be written as 4 and triple 0 and these 4 zeros, plus when we multiply this value with this, we get here 0 times this number becomes 0, and we multiply 2 with this number, and we get here 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, and 2 fours are 8. And in the same pattern we multiply 5 with this number, and we will get here, when we multiply 5 with 3 zeros, we will get here 3 zeros, and 5 fours are 20. So we get here 20,000. And now in the final step we need to sum up all these values, and we get our final answer. And you see that these are the 4 zeros, these are the 4 zeros, and these are the 4 zeros. When we add these 4 zeros, we get here 4 zeros, and here we add this 0 plus 8, 0 plus 8 becomes 8, 8 plus 2 becomes 10, we write again 0 and carry 1. So this is 0 plus 1 becomes 1, and at the last we get here this 0 and 4. So this is our final simplified form of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.